US dollar against Japanese yen this week is dropped in value, reaching the first demand zone around 146.50 and then making bounce and retrace on the Friday. There is something happened on the Friday because we can see that the price has tried to reach lower side and also moving even more down, lower than the lower side of this demand zone. The price reached at 145 and then bouncing back up. On the Friday, the price has encompassed all the candles before, we can see it here, and closed above all the candles before also, which means a strong bullish pressure has happened on the market and something has triggered this bullish momentum. The price stopped just here when the confluence of resistance is. On the weekly time frame we can see how this looks. It was indecision candle before in the previous week and it was expected that the price could bounce back down, but it has been expected that the price will try to move to the higher price level. This week we can see the price is closed with a small bullish candle going closing a little bit above the previous candle body. So we can see that we have three candles formed here, which is making very hard to make a breakout to the upside because this of confluence of resistance. On the monthly time frame, the previous month has closed as a bullish, making a breakout again, confirming this bearish breakout as a failed one, so this means the price will move to the upper side. Most of the time when some kind of a breakout has been failed, the next move is in the opposite direction. That means because of this bearish breakout to the downside below this one, this candle has made this bearish breakout as a failed one, and then the price continues to rise in value. And this is the first bullish breakout that needs to happen currently on this price level of 148.40 in order to continue to rise in value and move to the higher price level. For that, it is the best to see what happens on the daily and also weekly. On the weekly time frame we can see we have three candles could not make a breakout to the upper side because this confluence of resistance. We have an uptrend channel, trend line, which is acting as a resistance, and this horizontal line acting as a resistance. This means that the price needs to make a breakout to the upper side in order to continue to rise in value. And if that happens, the first stop where the price could stop on the weekly time frame is around 150 as a round number. We can see it here. This is the area where the price could stop, is 149.80. And unless that happens, the price will stop and bounce between these two price levels, because we can see for the 3 weeks the price is bouncing back and down. And for that it is much more visible on the daily time frame, so we go on the daily to see what is very critical. We can see it's very important for the 2 weeks the price cannot make a breakout to the upside. For now, as it looks, this bullish momentum on the Friday, there is a possibility that on the Monday we could see bullish breakout happening, and then on the Monday and Tuesday the price confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. Until that happens, I'm staying outside and waiting what would happen. But based on the monthly analysis, on the weekly analysis, and currently what I can see, this bullish candle on a Friday, daily analysis, I am expecting that the price will make a breakout next week above this price level. So if the breakout happens, I will share that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description, where I will share what happens on the market and what will happen if the breakout happens. What would be the next target if the breakout happens, and if the price will retrace back down, what would be also the next scenario that I'm expecting. So if you would like to check that, feel free to join and check it, the link. That's all for today's analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.